Exclusive, unveiling the 2024 Adidas Euro jerseys for Germany, Spain, Belgium, and more. In a groundbreaking reveal, Adidas introduces a stunning array of jerseys for the upcoming continental tournament in Germany. From Italy's bold designs to Germany's iconic three stripes, each jersey captures the essence of national pride and identity. Drawing inspiration from the historic Teimgeist model of the 2006 World Cup, hosted on German soil, these kits seamlessly blend tradition with innovation. Discover the exclusive releases for Italy, Germany, Spain, Belgium, Scotland, Hungary, and Wales as they gear up for the tournament from June 14 to July 14. The hosts make a bold statement with an unprecedented fuchsia away jersey, contrasting with a classic white home kit adorned with black, red, and yellow accents. Meanwhile, Belgium pays tribute to the beloved character Tintin with a sky blue jersey paired with brown shorts, featuring an elegant white polo collar. Adding to the allure, the Spanish national team blends tradition and innovation with a red home kit complemented by yellow detailing, alongside a vibrant lime away version. Scotland embraces versatility, alternating between a timeless dark blue jersey with yellow accents and a refreshing mint blue design with purple detailing. Euro 2024 brings unforeseen changes as Hungary and Wales unveil home kits deviating from their iconic red flag colors. Italy's coach, Rossi, introduces a bold red home kit adorned with white and green details, a departure from tradition. The away version opts for pristine white, incorporating colors through stripes and inserts. Meanwhile, Wales stays true to tradition with their home kit, while the standout feature of their away attire lies in the zigzag-striped side inserts. Notably, each jersey boasts a prominent Adidas logo, larger than before, rivaling association emblems, crafted from durable rubberized material and hot-applied for longevity. Explore the unique designs as teams gear up for the tournament.